I see this quite a lot in Facebook forums and in the Squarespace community at large. People coming in and being like, "Oh my god, my Squarespace website's down. What's happening? Is anyone else having this issue?" Most of the time, they've just somehow mucked something up. It might be they've just migrated and their SSL certificate isn't quite working. They may have let their subscription lapse, and obviously the site gets taken down. Then they may have been penalized for whatever reason. There's literally like thousands, if not tens of thousands, if not even more reasons why, the website's down. But every so often, maybe, once in a blue moon, Squarespace itself will be down. Now, the way to check this and to check if your website's down because of this is to go to status.squarespace.com. And if we look on the screen here, you can see what this looks like. So you can actually subscribe to updates. I'll just quickly show you how to do that now. So if I click on subscribe, you can pop your email address and Squarespace will tell you, if it's ever down. But then we can look up here. It will be like orange or red if there's a big boo-boo going on. But then you can see, you can track over 90 days what the uptime is, how domains are getting on. You can see, as I say, it's once every blue moon. You've got 100%, 100%, 100%. What's that? 99.97. Not bad. But then if we go to Domain Reseller API, and you can see there's an orange bit here, and it will tell you what the outage was, how long it was, and whether it was partial or whether it was a major outage, which you can see here. So Squarespace documents it all, and you can see they have an incident report section here, so you can check it all out if you just want to be nosy. But basically, what this page does is it kind of puts our minds at ease. Like if you say, "Oh, is my Squarespace website down?" and Squarespace is still operational here, chances are there's an other issue. So you can kind of rule out Squarespace's hosting or Squarespace at large as a culprit, and then look elsewhere. So maybe you look at the SSL certificate, maybe you look at hosting, maybe you look at, maybe another web designer has made your website and, they're not as good as me and they've messed up your work. No, I'm really messing. Maybe there's a ton of other reasons, but this way, you can eliminate at least one cause and move on to the next. And if Squarespace is down and your website's down, chances are this is the sole reason. It will be fixed in like an hour maximum, and you'll be back on the internet in no time. So hopefully you found this resource useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.